Funimate is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short-form videos, similar to TikTok. It's a popular platform for creators to showcase their talents, share their passions, and connect with like-minded individuals. How to make money on Funimate in 2024. Here are some ways to monetize your presence. 1. Branded partnerships. Collaborate with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. 2. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored content, such as videos or challenges. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. 4. Virtual gifting. Funimate allows users to send virtual gifts, such as coins, stickers, or emojis, to their favorite creators. You can earn money by creating engaging content and encouraging fans to send you virtual gifts. 5. Merchandise. Sell merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, or other products to your fans. 6. Tours and live events. Organize tours or live events and monetize them by selling tickets or merchandise. 7. YouTube. Cross-promote your Funimate content on YouTube and monetize your videos with ads. 8. Shoutouts. Offer paid shoutouts to other creators or brands, promoting their content to your followers. To maximize your earnings on Funimate, focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and building a strong brand presence.